Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to us and ring the bell. An iCloud activation lock can make your iPhone or iPad a brick. Joyoshare Activation Unlocker can help you bypass iCloud lock without previous owner. After bypassing the iCloud lock, you can get into iOS device without a password. iDevice won't be tracked or erased by previous owners. Enjoy iTunes services like music, TV shows, and more. Unbind previous owner's account with no risk of being locked remotely. Log into a new Apple ID in App Store for downloading and purchase. The video will use iOS 15.8.3 as an example to demonstrate how to bypass activation lock. Click Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Click on the Start button. Joyoshare Activation Unlocker will automatically put your iDevice into recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your device model and set it to DFU mode manually. Then, the program will get down to jailbreak device. After a success jailbreak, click on Start to Remove button. Your device will automatically get into recovery mode. Put your device into DFU mode. The program will start to remove activation lock from your device when it enters DFU mode. Finished.